Nkụ Onye Kpara n'ọkọchị ka ọ na-anya n'udu mmiri. The firewood gathered in dry season is what one uses during the rainy season. This proverb reminds us that the preparation made today protects us tomorrow. Let us explain this further with a story. A soldier ant and a sparrow were friends. During the dry season, the soldier ant called his friend and said, "Now is the time to gather food and store it so that when the rainy season comes, we won't risk our lives looking for food." The sparrow agreed and said he would think about it. Then he left. The soldier ant immediately started working, gathering food and storing it in his house. But the sparrow was busy moving about, partying, singing, and wasting his time. He completely forgot about the soldier ant's advice. Soon, rainy season came. The soldier ant went inside, locked his door, and relaxed with the stored food. The rain that year was very heavy and constant. The sparrow could no longer fly out to search for food. So one day, hungry and weak, the sparrow went to the soldier ant's house to beg for help. But the rain was so loud, the soldier ant didn't hear his knocks. The sparrow kept knocking under the heavy rain until the storm beat him to death. Meaning of the proverb. The proverb, Nkụ Onye Kpara n'ọkọchị ka ọ na-anya n'udu mmiri, means that what you prepare in your time of comfort sustains you in your time of difficulty. Hard work today saves you from suffering tomorrow. Moral lessons. Life rewards those who plan ahead, and it is always good to listen to wise advice.